with an accident. No idea. But the bus, for me, is symbolic of some of my bigger life aspirations. I have this bus buckle, it's about this big and silver, and it's just like a bus, maybe like a Greyhound bus, maybe circa 1988, something like that vintage. And I have a fantasy of one day, it's not a fantasy, it's a plan, one day I'm going to drop a bus in a volcano. True story. I have done all the research. I know that there are 5 active volcanic lakes in the world that would be suitable candidates for dropping a bus into them. Run into some snags. I thought the bus would immediately melt. Turns out lava is not hot enough to melt steel, so that's a snag. But whatever. So it's symbolic for me.
Oh, I love that bubble. 5?